Welcome to Unstuck. Today's fix KeyError in Python. One of the most common errors you'll hit. It just means you asked a dictionary for a key that isn't there. We'll reproduce it, learn to read the traceback and fix it the clean way, plus every common alternative. Beginner friendly, and we type the code out live step by step. First, what a KeyError is. A dictionary maps keys to values. Users of Alice gives you 30, but if you ask for a key that isn't in the dictionary, Python stops and raises a key error. It's not a mysterious crash, it's Python telling you plainly that the key you asked for doesn't exist, and it even prints which one. Where's a picture? Because you index a dictionary with square brackets. Python checks, is that key in the dictionary? If yes, you get the value back. If no, there's nothing to return, so it raises a key error with the missing key's name. The whole fix is about handling that no branch instead of letting it crash. Let's reproduce it, typing it out. We have a small dictionary of users and their ages. Then getAge looks a name up by indexing the dictionary directly with square brackets. For Alice, that's fine. She's in there, so we get 30. But watch the last line. We asked for Carol, and Carol was never added. Indexing a key that isn't there is exactly what triggers the error. Run it, 30 prints fine for Alice. Then KeyError Carol, and read the traceback from the bottom up. The last line names the exact problem, KeyError Carol, and just above it, the line that caused it, return users of name. Python is pointing right at the missing key. Here's how to read any Python traceback or traceback, and it's a skill worth having. Read it from the bottom up. The very last line is the error itself, key error, and the missing key. The lines just above are the trail of calls that led there, ending at the exact line that blew up. Once you see the key it's complaining about, the fix is simply to handle the case where that key isn't there. Now the clean fix, typed out. Instead of indexing with square brackets, we ask the dictionary with .get and give it a default. Users.get of name, 0 means give me the value if the key exists, otherwise give me 0. No missing key, no crash. Same lookup, but it can never raise a key error. Run the fix. Alice is still 30, and Carol, who isn't in the dictionary, now quietly comes back as 0 instead of crashing the whole program. The error is gone. There's more than one right way, so pick what fits. One and most common, dict.get with a default, what we just did. 2. Check if the key is in the dictionary before you index it. 3. Use a default dict, which hands back a default automatically for any missing key. And 4. Wrap the access in try except key error when a missing key is genuinely an exceptional case you want to handle. The square bracket index is the only one that crashes. Let's recap. A KeyError means you asked a dictionary for a key it doesn't have, read the traceback from the bottom to see exactly which key. The cleanest fix is .get with a default, and you've also got the incheck, default dict, and try except. The rule of thumb, don't index a dictionary with square brackets unless you're certain the key is there. A quick note, if these fixes save you time, the wallet is on screen and there is a Ko-fi link in the description. Every tip funds the next one. Thank you. Your turn. Comment the error you want fixed next and I'll break it down just like this. If it helped, hit like and subscribe, and remember, the traceback almost always tells you the answer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.